This is your favorite curator, the digital collectible curator. Let's get right into it because today we're gonna have a mid episode, guys, a mid video, whatever you want to call it. We got some mid updates. Let's get right into it. First of all, the voting results are live. Basically, the first PrimEvils voting has concluded. We will have a look at the results. The mid gallery is live as well. More on that later. And last but not least, Sir Candy Apple, one of the two founders of Infinite Fun, which is the parent company of MidEvils, has basically hinted at the Ghostar figurines finally being arrived. Like it only took them 3 months, you guys. Like it's no biggie. Like these things happen, right? Like it is what it is. Anyways, let's get right into it. Boom. So, well, I mean, at the very least, like there's a vote. It has concluded. Bird Prime has conquered Lizard Prime. It is what it is, you guys. All jokes aside, like it's cool that the first trade has been voted for, right? This is like the first of probably many votes we're gonna see in like the next coming months. Again, like in 2 months, their mint will be live. It's a free mint for whoever has staked a medieval NFT, and we're gonna get these guys airdropped, right? So Bird Prime 1, Lizard Prime, I expect we will not see or hear from him ever again. Now, like the big question is, did I vote? The big answer is no. Why? Who knows, right? I kind of just want to say, like, I kind of forgot. It is what it is. And I'm paying for it. But you know what? Like I'm having like great joy covering this stuff. I'm looking forward to the next vote. And yeah. Anyways, onto something more interesting. Because like this news is actually like kind of big. The gallery is live. And what is the MidEvils Gallery? It is kind of what you would expect. It is a gallery on their NFT, right? So here you can see basically all of the MidEvils uh, um, loading within their gallery. You can just like browse it, click it, and basically you can do like all of the scouting you want. This is a lot more convenient than going through Magic Eden or going through Tensor. Plus, it looks kind of cool. Let's just call it for what it is, right? Like if you're looking for a 1 out of 1, if you prefer to, well, I mean, like let's play with this for a little bit, right? It's no secret that I kind of like the Summoner's Armor the best. So let's see, where do we have them? And here you can see all of them, right? Very cool, very nicely done as well. I'm sure there's going to be like some improvements to be made. Small like little tip here: it would be nice to have like the rarity sorted out as well. It would also like benefit like the entire community to get like the rarity according to the team, right? It's something to just contemplate. But until then, I'm really happy with this. Like these are the kind of developments you want to see, especially from like a starting NFT. Looks cool. I believe that Bob Carson collaborated heavily on this. So, anyways, like big ups to Bob, big ups to the MidEvils team, and well, on to the last but definitely not the least one. So, well. The story on this final figure is that it basically was the first burn, right? This was the first burn, which was minted out in seconds, I believe. It took anyone like one medieval to burn and to get their Ghostar final figure. Only a limited amount of like 250 Ghostars wherever. I kind of want to say like created, but like it's not really the case. Like I'll get into that in a second. And out of those 250, I believe like either 5 or 10 are going to be like some kind of a special edition, which I hope I'm getting. Let's just say it like it is. Anyways, these are cool. You can still get them though, for the, I wouldn't say cheap, but for the mediocre price of $3,333. You can still get in there, guys, absolutely free. But all jokes aside, like it's a cool physical collectible to have, right? I think it's nice that we actually like get the opportunity to collect like this adds to like the collectibility part of things. And yeah, I think for now that's kind of it. Happy to see these kind of developments within like MidEvils, and excited to see like what's going to be new. I'll speak to you guys soon. Cheers.